Hello, my name's Nick Woodward. I'm the owner of Brookhouse Gas Services based in Sheffield, South Yorkshire. We're a company that specialises in service care contracts really, with a couple of thousand on contract at the moment. We've been looking at ways to enhance our customers' experience and also, secondly, to save a little bit of money if we can on call-outs, unnecessary call-outs I might add. And as such, we've teamed up with Clipfix. We're trialling the Clipfix app and seeing if this can work for us. Just a quick update on New Year's Eve. We took a call about 7 p.m. from a customer that had broken down with a Valent boiler, F61 fault code. I was able to have a look at the boiler via the app, talk him through resetting it, order the PCB by getting the serial number and GC number, etc., and go back, do a first time fix straight early in the new year. So we saved a call out, we saved a few quid, and we got an happy customer. So just a quick endorsement of my initial thoughts on Clipfix. It's a thumbs up. Thank you.